Well, hello everybody. My name is Dr. Talus. You are beginning the skeletal system. And great as it is, the skeletal system is my favorite system to ever explore. So let's get started. As we look at the foot, we are going to start on the toes. Now, as you know, we have 5 toes. But those toes are not just 5 bones. They are actually broken up into different bones. Now, the big toe has 2 bones. Digit number 2, which is right next to the big toe, has 3 bones. 1, 2, 3. Now, these bones are not just called toe bones. They actually have a very unique name to them. They are called the phalanges. So, all in all, there are 14 phalanges. We get to the midfoot. And the midfoot consists of 5 bones. But these bones right here are called the metatarsals to the hind foot. And the hind foot consists of 7 tarsal bones. This is considered the first cuneiform. Right next to it is cuneiform bone number 2 and cuneiform bone number 3. This is considered the cuboid bone. Now, we move on to the navicular bone. So, the navicular bone is a flat bone. The next bone we will talk about, important bone of the feet, because it's the talus bone. Just remember, talus pink, pink talus. Dr. Talus's favorite color is pink. And the last bone to learn today in Dr. Talus's class is the calcaneus. And the calcaneus is also considered the heel bone. And the heel bone is very important for many reasons, including making sure your shoes slip on right. That concludes my class demonstration for learning the foot bones. Good luck and see you next time. Bye-bye.